show y'all how I put on grips, right? We got the ODIs. This is some clean grips. Look at that. It looked like, if y'all could see it, it looked like it got some aliens on it or a robot. You know what I'm saying? It's clean though. Look at it, like it's a face on there. Like a sad face or something, I don't know. They clean though. So these ODIs, right? I'm gonna show you how to put them on there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you my way. My way is a little different than everybody else's way, right? You know what I'm saying? And we got pro tapers on here now. Pro tapers, I like the pro tapers because when it get hot, the type of plastic it is, it don't like stick to your gloves. These might, it feel like, maybe not. You know what I'm saying? Because it get like real hot out here. It'd be like in the 120s and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? When it's like freaking 90, like these right here, well, I took them off. You see, I already put them on here. But the other grips I had on here, they were like kind of sticking to my gloves. So when I try to let off the gas, it won't like slow down because it be stuck to my glove and it's not cool. So let's get right into it. These some clean grips. They got them in every color. I got these from Amazon. So go to Amazon if you like these grips and you can get them from there. So the first thing I do, I cut off the old grips so I won't be trying to struggle to pull them off. Because they're not that expensive, so you can easily get some more. So boom, pro tapers is off. So we will get some of these, I call them Loctite, but I think the correct name for these is cable tie, right? So we're gonna use these cable ties, put them in there, okay. Put them on the smooth side, because we got this rough right here, so it'll be kind of hard to like push it on there. And remember, on your grips, it's different size holes. It's different size holes for your grips. The wider hole, you see that? The wider hole is for the hole, for the side with the throttle on it. Right. So this is a smaller hole right here. And you know what I'm saying, if you're using the right one, because the one that's not soft, it's like when you squeeze it, it's gonna be like harder than the other one, right? So the hardest one you put on the skinnier side. That sounds kind of weird. So let's do this. Boom, we slide that in, put it on there like that. Slide the top in there. Oh, this sounds weird, bro. Slide in. I just got a sick mind. All right, slide it in. We're gonna be playing tug of war for a minute. Slide it in her right there. She love it. Slide it in her again. She calls me daddy. All right, that's probably enough. All right, so we go tug of war right quick. Probably I could do it like this first. Get it started. So you see that? I got it on there. Now it should be a little easy, you know what I'm saying, to slide it all the way on. See that? Sliding. Make sure you got these cable ties all the way in the grip, right? All the way in the grip. So we keep pulling. It's easy. Keep going. You see that? It's not as hard. It's crazy. On there, give it a little twist, straighten it up. Man, it won't stick through. On there. It's probably good enough. Yeah. Then you pull these out. Motherfucker hard. That's one. We got the other one out. Out. Bam. So you see that? They on there. You see how easy that was? And they on there perfect, bruh. And they clean though, man. I got the little alien grips, bruh. These are little aliens on here, man. So let's check it out. On the Blue Beast. Clean, bruh. Look at the grips. See, I'm telling you, those are like little alien faces or something. See the other side on there, good. Let it focus. Nice. So I do got some different I got some different graphics for it. But these graphics cool, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. But I got some different graphics. But the graphics I got for it, they're freaking don't have no blue in it. I was tripping. But anyway, so y'all see how easy it is to put the grips on? Yep. And that is it, bruh. And I'm out.